Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about antiemetic drugs which are useful in prevention of nausea and vomiting. First we will be seeing the centers which are present in the body which stimulate the vomiting center present in the brain. Vestibular apparatus of ear which contains two receptors, H1 which is histaminic receptor and M1 which is muscarinic receptor. GIT which contains one receptor, 5-HT3 receptor. Chemoreceptor trigger zone which lacks blood-brain barrier. So from blood vessels, 5-HT, dopamine and substance P stimulate receptors. Chemoreceptor trigger zone consists of three receptors, 5-HT3, D2 and NK1 neurokinin 1. Classification of antiemetic drugs: anticholinergics, hyoscine and dicyclomine, neuroleptics or D2 blockers, chlorpromazine and triflupromazine, H1 antihistaminics, promethazine and diphenhydramine, prokinetic drugs, metoclopramide and domperidone, 5-HT3 antagonist, ondansetron, groniastron, NK1 receptor antagonist, aprepitant and fosaprepitant, adjuvant antiemetics, dexamethasone. Anticholinergics. Mechanism of action: blocking conduction of nerve impulses across a cholinergic link in the pathway leading from vestibular apparatus to vomiting center. Antihistaminics. Mechanism of action: it blocks extrapyramidal side effects of metoclopramide while supplementing its antiemetic action. Promethazine has weak antidopaminergic action as well. Combination of antihistaminics with other antiemetic has been useful in chemotherapy-induced vomiting. Neuroleptic mechanism of action: it acts as antiemetic and antivertigo by blocking D2 receptors. Mechanism of action of prokinetic drugs: metoclopramide, it acts on upper GIT, increases gastric peristalsis while relaxing the pylorus and first part of the duodenum, speeds up the gastric emptying, tone of lower esophageal sphincter is increased, gastroesophageal reflux is opposed. In CNS, it acts on CTZ and block apomorphine-induced vomiting. Mechanism of action of D2 antagonism: it fastens gastric emptying and enhances the tone of lower esophageal sphincter. 5-HT3 antagonism at high concentrations. Neurokinin 1, NK1 receptor antagonists are used for prevention of acute and delayed nausea and vomiting. The NK1 receptor antagonist competitively binds to NK1 receptor while block the binding of substance P and prevents the emetic signal being transmitted. 5-HT3 antagonists are most effective in the prevention and treatment of chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting. Adverse effect of antiemetic drugs: loose stool, muscle dystonia. Long-term use may lead to Parkinsonism, galactorrhea and gynecomastia.